Article 300.11 of the National Electrical Code requires that conductors be securely fastened in place within junction boxes, pull boxes, and cabinets. Article 300.15 specifies that non-metallic sheaths cables entering a box must be secured to the box or fitting by a listed cable clamp, connector, or other approved means. Article 314.23 states that cables entering metal enclosures must have their outer jackets terminated within 1/2 inch of the enclosure. For fire alarm wiring, it is best practice to provide strain relief at the point where the cable enters the metal back of the box. This prevents excessive bending or pulling on the cable, which could damage the conductors or connections. To secure fire alarm wiring in metal boxes, the following steps should be taken. Firstly, terminate the outer jacket of the cable within 1/2 inch of the knockout. Secondly, install a cable connector or clamp that is designed for the type of cable being used. Thirdly, tighten the cable clamp or connector to secure the cable in place. And fourthly, support the cable within 48 inches of the cable clamp or connector using cable ties, hangers, or other approved methods. The argument that strain relief is not necessary at the point where the cable enters the metal box is incorrect. As stated above, both the National Electrical Code and best practices require strain relief to be provided in these situations. The wiring should be supported no more than 48 inches apart and secured in a junction box with a cable clamp or connector. The cable jacket should be terminated within 1/2 inch of the enclosure, and strain relief should be provided to prevent excessive bending or pulling on the cable.